Alright, so we're taking a look at some of the projects that we've made with this Ender 5 and talk about some of the experiences and some of the issues and troubleshooting along the way. We are going through the projects made on an Ender 5 3D printer as someone who's new to printing and new to using a 3D printer, but I'm not new to Legos. So one of the problems with Legos is they're cool and they're fine, and now I guess you can get these rip-off versions of Legos that are all the same sizes and stuff, but they're not made by Legos. And this one happens to be a cop. But until now, you couldn't get anything cool as far as guns for them. But now you can print Lego dracos. So bam, that's what a cop looks like when he's got two dracos. And yeah, these things take like 11 minutes to print. They got super decent detail on the one side, and on the other side where they have to have the build up or whatever, they look a little less, but man, they look cool. And with a paintbrush or something, these things would be awesome. I don't know what these things cost on eBay or something, but they take just a couple of moments to print comparatively to other things out here. So yeah, if you are into Legos, then I can't imagine. And if you got a 3D printer, I mean everyone who has a 3D printer and likes Legos has probably already done this. I'm not telling them anything new, but the rest of you, that's a neat thing. So Dracos for Legos on 3D printers for days. Let us know in the comments how awesome that is. I imagine if you don't think this is awesome, there's no way you're watching this video, right? Isn't that how it would work out? So until next time, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more of this series on our first attempts at printing with the Ender 5.